Hello guys, it's officially Tuesday, yay, back to Tuesday, so this will be in the Tuesday folder. But I wanted to show you guys how to complete this assignment. So you're going to click into Expanding Universe. Sorry, husband's working in the house. You're going to view your article, so view it there. I just click view, there's no need for you to download it unless you absolutely want to. Sorry, again. So then you're going to read through the article. Yes, you need to read it. It's only 2 pages. It's not going to kill you, I promise. Okay, so then once we're ready to complete our assignment, we're going to go to template and you're going to download it. Okay, so I'm going to save it. I always put things on my desktop. That way they're easy to find. Okay, so then I minimize my screen and I go find it on my desktop. And you'll notice this is not a Word document, so you can't just type in it like normal. So here's what I want you guys to do. You're going to click over here where it says fill and sign, and that's what you want to open. Then you will have the ability to click in and write, and you can do that for each box. So not only are you guys going to master Word documents, but you're also going to master PDFs this 9 weeks. So good luck with that. Hope everything works out. You'll save it like normal, so once you're finished, you save as. You guys are going to save it to your OneDrive because that's what Miss Russell taught you guys. So I go to my OneDrive and I can save it in any one of my folders there. So once you've got it all saved and situated, you're going to go back to Schoology and click Submit over here and upload your template. So good luck, guys. Hope that helps. Let me know if you need any help.